Single-story shopping malls with a sea of parking are also a dreadful waste of land. These developments are the outcome of zoning constraints, parking requirements, and a lack of incentive to build more densely. Given the evolution of retail from stores to online, I would think that a new vision for retail malls would be welcome. Let's make the old shopping malls into vibrant mixed-use areas with reduced amounts of parking on transit lines and add compatible uses to make a more vibrant place. The same attitude of higher density should also be applied to these barren, car-centric main streets all over Ontario. These environments are not walkable. They are also uninteresting. Adding compatible uses, such as residential apartments, offices, retirement living, etc., will invigorate our current single-use zoning areas and build more socially equitable neighborhoods. Planning policy here in Ontario strives to achieve a target density of people and jobs, 60 people per hectare and 60 jobs per hectare. In this context, some of our worst land use examples are the low-rise warehouses, where acres of pavement and acres of asphalt roofs are built that give very little back, with very few jobs and a huge land requirement. More efficient building forms are needed. Land use policies are needed that ties land utilization to employment growth numbers, and where incentives exist to make stacking viable and oceans of car parking unnecessary. Land use policies are also needed to create diverse and rich residential and mixed-use areas, which will better support the wide spectrum of our community.